Two sorts of whine. Where's this going to turn up? It's going to turn up in the spelling, sometimes in the vocabulary where you've got to put the closest in meaning, and also in the closed tests. Whine, as in this is the whine that you go glug 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 glug, whine 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 whine. And this is the whine as in I don't like that, to whinge. My son was on a train and there was a little boy opposite going, Granny, I'm not whining, but I don't like this. Granny, I'm not whining, but, there was always a but, and he continued to whine all the journey home. She'd go, Archie, you are whining. Granny, I'm not whining. And so glug, 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 whinge and moan. See you soon.